Hello guys, welcome back in my channel. We are already in the fourth episode of the must try AI tools in Canva. Today we are taking a look at Captions, Canva's new AI-powered tool that automatically generates captions for your videos in a few clicks. Captioning your videos is critical for audience engagement, but it can be time-consuming. That's where Captions can step in and helping you. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I'm just closing this video. I already opened the new Canva page. Go into the video section, choosing a blank video Canva, and go into the uploads, searching for my videos what I uploaded. Hello guys, welcome back in my channel. Hello guys, welcome back in my channel. Stop the video. And now, how we can start, we have to go to that text. And here, due to this is a video Canva, we do not have only the page numbers here in the dynamic text, we also have the captions. I just click on it. Here in the drop-down menu, we can choose which page we would like to use. On this project, I have only one, so that's very easy. And just click on the generate captions. Guessing due to I'm already generated it. And in this case, that's doing it very fast. I just changing the style. Changing back to like this. Okay, the size. I moved a bit further down and going to the effects. As you can see, already this background effect is preset, but I would like to change the color to this this proper red. And one important thing also, if I if I click on it, that's a bit tricky when moving on the timeline, so I have to bit zooming it. Going to this captions button, and here we can see the captions, what was generated by the AI, and here we can also make the corrections if needed. Like here, I know back in my channel, as that's missed, must try AI, not two, that's tools. And that's not sync, that's in Canva. Today we are taking a look at the captions, Caption about power tool that automatically generates captions for you. And it's time consuming. And I think this but I just move to here and deleting quick favor. Okay, now it's better. So here we can modify the text what was generated by the AI if we find some dodgy things. And as you can see already before, we can change the settings like a normal this is if like a normal text, so I can change the font type, also the size as a normal other text. The only thing is what I made a mistake, as you can see now I cannot click it again due to just moving a bit higher. That was my, that's it. That's we have to have to think about it when we're doing it. Due to if I click outside the Canva and I'm hovering the mouse back, the this timeline is going in and cannot click on the text. Now due to I moved a bit up, moved a bit higher. Here now I can do it, but when I was in the bottom, was unable to do it unless I'm zooming into the Canva, and in this case I can select here easily. But this is just a small thing what we can play around, and as you can also see, you can change the font type, the color, also the effect, even if you let it animate, but I don't think so it makes sense. In this case, maybe it makes sense if we are splitting the page after every sentence, and we can do the different type of animations to make it more funnier. But for me it's not important, so you can see it again. Hello guys, welcome back in my channel. We are already in the 4th episode of the must try AI tools in Canva. Today we are taking a look at Captions, Canva's new AI powered tool. So it's pretty cool, I really like it. Hope so you also like it. And if you really like my video, please do not forget to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment if you're struggling on any Canva or any AI tools. I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also visit my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description, where you can find lots of Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. Plus you can find also lots of different text to image generation prompts from different sources like Canva Magic Media, Canva Dream Labs, also from Bing and Copilot, and also from the new favorite from the Recraft. So if you are also interested in this text to image generation, you can find also lots of nice prompts there. But now this video is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Ciao.